Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is photo stock bundle, total 16 pack with different categories. All files are full high definition or HD, but these are protected. Password in this app. Download this app for lifetime. All password in this app. And here is my Facebook page. Last is Telegram channel. Subscribe this for latest notification of any video. Okay. So here is total size is 5.62 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it in parts. Total file is 1865. Here is 109. You see resolution of amazing. Next is animal. Here is a parrot. Coffee. You see the quality of image. Babies. Ice cream. Here is Spanish language I can't understand. Here is a family folder. All files are high definition. Total file is 81. Fitness here is 53. Okay, and here flowers. Fruit and vegetables. Female model. Here in parts. Okay. Part 7, part 6. Next is Christmas. Natural. And here is a business. Total 264. All are high definition. Gold. Amazing. And last is this. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.